All right, how about a little coffee this morning? A little cup of joe or maybe a wig? Either one.
You never. The two go hand in hand.
Kangen Water.
Okay. Explain what that is. First off, are you now? Is that something you do?
That's something.
The new water?
Yeah, I drink the Kangen water all the time. As you can see, I'm getting really buff from drinking it.
Okay.
But Kangen is Japanese for return to origin.
Okay.
Chris here at the cafe, he wants to, for 2017, let everybody know about this water.
And this is the water that they're going to be using now for their coffees and their teas, even their ice is what I was told.
That's right.
All right. So explain a little bit what the difference is between regular tap water and this new water.
Okay. So this water has an electrical charge that has gone through the water, and so it changes the structure of the water, and so it changes it in a way that when you drink it, actually penetrates your cells, so it hydrates you on a cellular level.
Okay.
It also detoxifies you on a cellular level, so it's going to clean out all the acidic waste out of your cells, and it's also one of the most powerful antioxidants on the planet. And so one glass of Kangen water has more antioxidants in it than 5 pounds of blueberries.
Well, what about everyday applications? For example, like washing vegetables and things like that.
Okay, so right here I have a 11.5 pH Kangen water.
Okay.
And then here is just regular tap water.
Okay.
And we put these tomatoes in that I got from Walmart. And I'm going to just try to rinse the water off here.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go ahead and do that one. And so,
oh wow.
as you can see,
there is a little bit of this. So this is regular tap water.
Yep.
I can see there's a little bit of color in here, but there's more color in there.
And so what happened is this water actually took off the pesticides that is on the tomatoes. And the pesticides are oil-based, and this water was able to emulsify or break down the oil. And so it actually removed the pesticides. And so if you actually taste this tomato, the flavor is going to be a lot better because it's clean.
Seeing is believing.
Exactly. So instead of if you eat these tomatoes without washing them, you're gonna have that inside.
Part of that in you.
Exactly.
Got you. Okay.
So now at this cafe, since he's gonna be using this water, when people come here, they're not gonna have
healthy
this in there.
is healthy
exactly.
is healthy.
That's right.
Oh, nice job. How do we lot, Tim? Appreciate the education on water.
And Big Buddha, my mom was always champions never quit, and so I just want to say how important it is to not give up for the new year of 2017. And I know that you're a champion.
We got more coming up. See you guys in a little bit.
Okay, don't drink that
water.
Awesome.